Hearing on death warrant underway in Delhi's Patiala House Court at the moment. That's the breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Nirbhaya's mother is hopeful for justice for her daughter as well. This is a plea filed by Asha Devi right there. The hearing on death warrant underway in Delhi's Patiala House Court. The Patiala House Court in Delhi is hearing the plea on the early hanging of all the 4 convicts. This is taking place right after the Supreme Court went ahead and junked the review petition of one of the convicts as well. And now the hearing has begun. Nirbhaya's mother's plea is issue death warrant immediately. Manish Pandey joining us, who's right there reporting from Delhi's Patiala House Court as well. Manish, if you could walk our viewers through the hearing which has just begun. Nirbhaya's mother wanting the court to make sure that early execution happens of all the 4 convicts as well.
Yeah, well, Chaitya, at this point of time, what we are hearing is that the court has been informed that the review petition of convict Akshay has been rejected by the Supreme Court. Now, amicus curiae for the convict, that is Vrinda Goa, argued before the court that Supreme Court has dismissed the review petition of Akshay on the merits of the case, but not because of the delay. The convicts needs to be informed about their legal remedies, to which now the prosecution and the lawyer for the Nirbhaya family has argued before the court that there should be a death warrant issued in all. If the time period of 14 days is given to the convicts, then they can use all their legal remedies. But at this point of time, they are arguing that death warrant should be issued by this court. Back to you.
Manish is getting us all those latest developments right there from inside Patiala House Court right there in Delhi. Nirbhaya's mother's plea is need early execution of Nirbhaya's convicts, Nirbhaya's rapists as well. So the hearing is underway. Manish Pandey is getting us all the latest details as he stands by Delhi's Patiala House Court. For our viewers who have just tuned in, the Patiala House Court is hearing a plea on the early hanging of the 4 convicts at the moment. And Manish is bringing us the latest details. Delhi Court has been informed about the Supreme Court's Supreme Court's review petition order as well, which was quashed by the Supreme Court, in fact. Manish, what are you picking up at the moment? Nirbhaya's mother does not want any delay as far as the death warrant is concerned.
Yeah, well, judge even asked that whether jail authorities have informed the convicts or not, to which the jail authorities have informed the court that on 29th October, all the convicts were informed, and one of the convict, Mukesh, has said that he doesn't want to file the mercy petition.
Yes.
As far as Vinesh Sharma is concerned, a mercy petition was filed on December 4, and that was but it was disputed and withdrawn on December 7. So at this point of time, the court is going through the details of what has been happening with the jail authorities and what is the status of the mercy petition. Also, what we are picking up from our legal correspondent, that is Anisha Mathur, is that amicus has informed the court that Pawan has filed an application with the claim of that he is juvenile. At the time of incident, he was juvenile. The lawyer will have to inform whether that has been heard or not. The second accused, that is Pawan, has also said that he will file curative plea. So, at this point of time, the lawyers are arguing and trying to convince that every procedure and protocol has been followed. Now it is up to this trial court whether whether the court wants to issue the death warrant today or not.
And just to remind our viewers, convict Mukesh has also said that he does not want to file for mercy plea. That's the news that's come out a couple of days ago as well. And Manish is getting us all the very latest details on the Patiala House Court, which is hearing the plea on the early hanging of the for convicts. For our viewers who have just tuned in, Supreme Court has rejected the review plea filed by Akshay Singh, one of the 4 men who have been convicted in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. Hearing on Singh's review plea was delayed by a day, remember, after S.A. Bobde recused himself from hearing the review plea as well. And later, the Supreme Court today went ahead and squashed and junked the review petition. And at the moment, the action shifts now to Delhi's Patiala House Court, which is hearing the plea on early hanging of 4 convicts. Nirbhaya's mother wants a speedy justice. She's seeking for an early hanging of the convicts as well. And convict Mukesh has gone ahead and said that he does not want to file the mercy plea as well. That is also what we are picking up. Munish has got some more details with him. Munish, what are you picking up? The hearing is underway. You're getting us all the latest developments as Anisha is sending you all those developments that are happening in Delhi's Patiala House Court. Over to you, Munish.
Yeah, well, it may take some time to get this hearing over because
Patiala House Court, where a lawyer for then the court was informed that there is no Supreme Court here waiting for the order of Supreme Court until the Patiala House Court. The court has said that let me
patch that connection again to Munish. There's a trouble with the audio. I'm requesting the producers to get Munish with us ASAP. Munish has been getting us all those updates that are coming in from Delhi's Patiala House Court, as our legal correspondent Anisha Mathur is sending us the latest developments second by second as they happen first here on India Today. Nirbhaya's family seeking 14-day timeline for hanging. That's the latest that is coming in. Breaking news across your screens at the moment as well. Nirbhaya's family going ahead and seeking 14-day timeline for hanging. That's the latest coming in from Delhi's Patiala House Court. Convict Mukesh has said, I do not want to file a mercy plea. So convict Mukesh does not want to go ahead and file the mercy plea. Nirbhaya's mother's lawyer has said give 14 days to the convicts. Convict's lawyer is yet to arrive in court. That's the latest coming in right there. Munish, the convict's lawyer has not reached the court?
Yeah, well, Chati, there are 2 important developments. First of all, the jail officials have informed the Patiala House Court that this case is not fit for a curative petition, that the legal remedy which the lawyer of convicts wanted to, opt at this point of time. But the jail authorities have informed Patiala House Court, and this is going to be very important, that this is not a fit case to file a curative petition. And they have again said that if the court wants to go ahead and issue a death warrant, that can be issued. Also, the court was waiting for the prosecutors and the other lawyers to arrive at the court. They have also arrived with the copy of the order from the Supreme Court, because once the hearing started, the first question which the judge asked, that where is the copy of order? At that point of time, verbally it was informed, but the court also wanted to go through the written order copy, the stamped order copy from the Supreme Court. Now it has arrived. So 2 important developments. First is the curative petition is not a fit case. That is what the jail authorities are telling the court. And second, all the lawyers have informed those, so this hearing will continue at this point of time.
So even this order, Munish, is somewhere at the moment drifting towards a speedy process of justice for Nirbhaya as well, given the fact that the jail authorities have also informed the Patiala House Court at the moment that it is not fit for a curative petition, and the curative petition demand, of course, was made by Akshay Singh's lawyer as well. Legally speaking, what does the technicality say as far as this last legal recourse that exists for the convicts is concerned, Munish?